Hey, it's the Cooking Doc with your pro tip. I want you to practice cooking without recipes. Are you one of those people that needs a recipe to figure out how to cook and how to put ingredients together in a dish that tastes delicious? Well, I want you for a couple days or a couple weeks to throw away the recipes. I want you to consider a few cooking techniques like sauteing, like adding lemon to your dish, or like adding salt to your dish, and just experiment. Use a few techniques that you kind of learn to master and buy the freshest ingredients you can at the grocery store, at the farmer's market, and see what happens. Try a little lemon at the beginning of a dish, try a little lemon at the end of the dish. See the difference in flavor. Try a little salt, sprinkled throughout the cooking process. How does it change the final taste and the final texture? Learning to cook and learning to have a healthy eating lifestyle and learning to do this at home on your own requires some experimentation. You know, there's never going to be the exact ingredients in a recipe all the time freshest in the store. So by learning a few special techniques and applying them to a bunch of different foods, you can really up your cooking game, and that will make healthy eating and changing your buds to enjoy healthy food much easier. Thanks for watching our pro tips for the day. We'll see you next time.